Oh boy. This is how it ends. This is how it ends. Oh no. This is how it ends. Yeah, it is. Okay, this is not how it ends. Not as yet.
You're so messed up, man.
Not as
It's
yet.
the definition of the word messed up.
Ever-flowing river.
Hey, if it's a picture, I gotta look. Why you holding it so long?
To Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs in Western Mountain are the largest creatures ever. Here. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat.
There's a duck just chilling there.
I'd appreciate it if you can show that so when it comes out, you guys didn't go like this, okay?
Really? You can just hop off there if you want to.
A little too late, Mom.
Stegosaurus heavy armor plating and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period.
Splash!
Their holocranial cavities
Why the danger zone? Why are we going off track? Let's just jump ship from here. Yeah, flying over the short.
We gotta get those people out of there. We've got to grab the boat before they get too far. Come back and keep me
Everybody got your picture ready because the picture's coming. I know that.
Oh my god. Why is it?
2, please put your camera away at this time.